Hey guys, have you ever tried this mango cake without any maida and sugar? It will come out so spongy and soft. Here you can see how soft and spongy it is and tastes so yummy. So without any delay we'll start the process. Here I have taken this cup for the measurement. So take half cup of jaggery and grind it to a powder. Now I am adding one medium size mango and grind it to a paste. And strain this paste so that there are no lumps in the paste. If there are any lumps, then our cake will not come out perfect. Now I am adding homemade curd, which is 1/3 cup of curd, and in this I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. If you have oil with no flavor, you can even add oil or butter also. Here with the help of whisk, mix it nicely until it reaches creamy texture. Now here I am adding 1 cup of wheat flour and 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and a pinch of baking soda. Now mix everything. Don't do over mixing because here we are using wheat flour. Now grease the cake tin with some oil and sprinkle some flour so that our cake will come out nicely without any sticking. Now mix the dough in the cut and fold method. So this is the perfect consistency of batter. Here you can see the batter is dropping slowly. Now transfer the batter into the cake tin and arrange it perfectly. Here I have added some walnuts, chopped walnuts. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Now bake the cake at 170 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. So here is our cake is ready. Now demold the cake and enjoy. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.